Hello, today I'm going to present about managers and management in Chapter 1, Understanding Sport. Who is manager? Manager is somebody who lead and analyzing the work of other workers in organizational so that the goals of organizational can be accomplished. That means manager is responsibility to lead and teach the workers so that he can be accomplish the organizational goal. What is management? Management means coordinating and analyzing the work activities of others so that the activities are completed efficiently and effectively. We can see the managerial level in the pyramid. Top managers are the number 1 managers, followed by middle manager, first line manager, and operatives. We can classify manager in 3 parts. Firstly, first line manager or supervisor. First line manager is the lowest level of manager. They manage of the work of non-managerial individual. They usually called as sub-coach and assistant coach. They are responsible in directing the employer day to day. Secondly is the middle manager or tactical. The level of management between first line manager and top manager. They're responsible translating the goals and explain about goals to operatives which set by top manager. Lastly, the top managers or strategic. The top managers is director of organization. They're responsible to making decisions about the direction of organization. They have titles such as president, vice president, managing director, chief executive officer, and chairman.
Assalamualaikum. A very good morning to everyone. I hope you guys are in the best of health. My name is Siti Suraya Binti Suraji and I'm from Group Azhar 2431S1B. Today we are here to know about the management functions. Firstly, we will look into the one who came up with these functions. Next, we'll break down the list of management functions, becoming one of the essentials or the key point in an organizational structure. So keep your eyes wide open on the screen as you wish for some of your favorite dish to pop out. Let's go! So how these management processes are discovered? Let's find out the inventor. Hariz was a French author and managing director who founded a general philosophy of management process, also called Payalism. From all the theory he has put forward, recent researchers and preeminent book publishers have clarified these processes to be the basic 4 things: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning is the process of developing strategies to achieve the goals and objectives that have been identified. Managers shall prepare ahead of time the job that needs to be performed by staff so that the management will decide what the future of the company should be and how to get there. Next, organizing. In this method, the organization's approach is to design and organizing tasks, includes transferring of authority and responsibilities to different departments, and the concept of how the activities will be done. Managers are also responsible to allocating resources such as labor or human resources, equipment, facilities, and etc. in order to fulfill the organization's objectives. Leading. To build a successful unit, managers must act as a leader that will motivate and influence the employees to achieve their goals. Leaders will encourage individuals to embrace strategies, building trust and dedication. Last but not least, controlling. Tracking operation can be done by collect relevant data and then analyze them so that we can understand the pattern and identify the oddity, what's working well and what's not. Evaluate performance of the employees such as the quality, their level of creativity, and most of time, the head department use the customer and peer feedback in order to identify and rating their socializing skills. compare results with objectives is by differentiating the actual performance that been shown by the groups in sort of the task given. Finally, the management can make up some improvements by analyzing if the outcome is far from the standards or goals that have been set, then the manager has to take some corrective action. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you to all of you for being here today and taking the time to passionately listen to what I had to say. I wish you all had a blessed day. Next, I will pass to Muhammad Irsyad to continue our presentation and finish it with a topic.
Manager role.
In late 1960, Hariz provide empirical insight into manager's job. Hariz undertook a careful study of 5 chief executives and found that the managers engaged in a large number of varied and unpatterned. Half of these managers' activities lasted less than 9 minutes. Mitzberg also concluded that managers perform 10 different but highly interrelated roles. They are grouped under 3 primary headings. Firstly, it is decisional, and secondly, it is informational, and thirdly, interpersonal. For the monitor, they are seek out information and monitor your team. And secondly, disseminator, to communicate potentially useful information. And lastly, they are spokesperson, which is represent and speak for organization and transmitting information. For interpersonal category, we have figurehead, which is source of inspiration. And secondly, we have liaison, which is communicate with internal and external contact. And lastly, we have a leader, which is provide a leadership.